SYG Tech is here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick video. Let me show you what do you get in the box when you buy the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x STS. This is the streaming headset from Audio-Technica. Quick disclaimer, I purchased this headset by myself. They don't sponsoring today's video, but super excited to show you today's video because this was in my basket for a long time. A month ago I did a short video that I'm probably going to purchase this headset. And yes, I bought it with my own money. Super excited to show today's video. Also stay tuned till the end because I'm gonna do a microphone test. Super familiar headset because they're exactly the same as the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x, but this time we have a really nice microphone capsule from the 20 series microphones from the Audio-Technica. Pretty familiar there, super flexible. The design is amazing, and I think many people will be happy with this headset. So quickly, let me show you what do you get in the box. So you get the Audio-Technica ATH-M50xSTS streaming headset with two additional pads. They're more breathable. I think they're very nice. Also, you get the leather ones as well. Also, you get a paperwork, which is always nice to check some settings, some features, which I think is very nice. We have a switch on the side, which obviously is going to help you to monitor yourself while you're gaming. But overall, I'm super happy with this headset. Now I'm going to show you actually the sound quality. Really nice, this logo of the Audio-Technica ATH-M50xSTS. But now let's hear this interesting microphone from the 20 series.
And now let's hear the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x STS. Pretty a long name. From now on, I'm going to call them the streaming headset. This is what they're marketing for streamers, gamers. Yeah, I think pretty cool name. So let me know, what do you think, guys? I think the sound is amazing, very cool, very nice. A very bright sound. This is a straight from the box, no post-processing will be added, although I'm planning to make another video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, subscribe. So I'm planning to do another video, compare this streaming headset with some of the microphones that I have in the studio, maybe with some post-processing. So let me know if you want to see that. But overall, the sound is very nice, very clear. Price, this is going to cost you around £180 here in UK. Link in the description down below if you want to purchase the streaming headset. But again, you're the judge, not sponsored by Audio-Technica. So let me know, what do you think, guys? How is the sound quality? How is the microphone quality of this headset? Very familiar there because they're exactly the same as the 50x's, the original 50x's that I had them for nearly 2 years. Amazing headset. Doesn't need introduction because you already know about this headset. But overall, very happy, very comfortable. We have two options for the pads, more breathable option and the standard that you get in the box. But I like to change my earpads. I like to customize my headset because I think looks nice. So let me know, guys, what do you think about the microphone quality of the STS version with this capsule? This is very familiar there because this is the same capsule as the 20 series microphones from the Audio-Technica. This is a condenser capsule, which is pretty nice. If you use the analog version with the 3-pin XLR port, you have to turn your 48 phantom power. But I decided to get the digital version because it's more comfortable, much better in a way that I can use them with my laptop, desktop. So if I want to move around, I think this will give me more freedom. Plus, when I game, I like to move around, so it's gonna give you more freedom there. Also, I'm planning to do kind of like a review in my gaming channel. I'm gonna link in the descriptions down below. I do play some racing games, but this is my gaming channel, so link in the description if you like to see me there. So you're the judge. Let me know, how is this microphone quality of the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x streaming headset. Thank you for watching, guys. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.